Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video, we show you how to install the Skimmer Weir in a 2014 Forward hot spring spa. Before we get started, let's go over the tools and parts you will need. Tools you will need: Phillips head screwdriver. Parts you will need: 77235 Skimmer Weir kit and 78134 skimmer key. Step 1. Disconnect power from the spa. Step 2. Drain the spa to just below the Skimmer Weir. Step 3. Remove the filters. Step 4. Loosen the two Skimmer Weir mounting screws with a Phillips head screwdriver. Step 5. Loosen the Skimmer Weir key by turning it 1/4 turn to the right and remove the Skimmer Weir. Step 6. Install the new Skimmer Weir over the notches on the lower louver. Step 7. Install the two Skimmer Weir mounting screws. Step 8. Lift up the blade and install the Weir key into the pivot brace by turning it 1/4 turn to the left. Step 9. Make sure the blade travels up and down freely. Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.